You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. Both British and American English pronunciations are quite similar, but let's hear them both just to make sure you can say it, pronounce it properly. In British English, this word is pronounced as heirloom. Heirloom. Okay, so the H is silent indeed, so it's not heirloom, just like the word air. Heirloom. In American English, the pronunciation in the US is similarly as heirloom. Heirloom. Heirloom, American English pronunciation, or heirloom, British English. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like to support, I appreciate. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.